Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for your Kiwi Bank account if you've forgotten your password details while logging into your account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser first. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in www.kiwibank.co.nz and enter. You'll end up in the home page of Kiwi Bank, which looks like this. Go to the internet banking login link at the upper right hand and click it on. In order to end up in the login area, go ahead and type in your access number into the first text box that appears on the screen. Now, right where it says password, if you remember your password, you can type it in, but if you don't, you can click on this password link that says need to reset your password. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your next page. Now, soon after you do that, you'll need to verify your mobile number in order to reset your password, so you'll receive a text message with a security code in it on your registered mobile number. Go ahead and type in your access number one more time. After you're done, enter your mobile number in the next box. Now wait for a few seconds and you'll be receiving a text message with a security code in it in the particular mobile number that you entered. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to reset your password on the next page soon after you enter the code. That is how you'll be able to reset your password to a new one if you've forgotten your password details while logging into your bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.